Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Gray from Fandroid, and we are at IFA 2019 checking out the newest version of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now, the device here is pretty much identical to the original one, which was unveiled right alongside the Galaxy S10 during the first quarter of this year, and was supposed to launch later in Q2. But right before that launch, it was actually recalled or postponed due to reliability issues with the foldable display breaking, with debris getting in behind that display. Now, this newer version is simply a cosmetic tweak over the original. Samsung's product team went back to the drawing board in order to figure out how to stop the debris from entering into the hinge mechanism. They put some end caps on the hinge at the top and the bottom so that nothing could fall in behind the display, and they've also tweaked the design just a little bit around the other edges so that it's a tighter fit than it was before. Samsung's also tweaked the front of the phone, or the foldable display itself. The original one had a protective layer right over the foldable display with the seams exposed, which many people mistook for a screen protector that needed to be removed. Now they've updated it so that the seams of that protective layer are now hidden underneath the bezels that go all the way around the display, which is something that they probably should have done from the very beginning. As far as functionality and other features go, this phone here is identical to the original. You get a smaller display on the outside of the phone, which can be used for making phone calls, sending text messages, or even taking a picture with the cameras that are on the back of the phone. But then when you unfold the display to see it on the inside, you get a much larger canvas in order to put applications side by side, which can then be used to drag and drop files or messages between the different windows. While there does appear to be some limitations as to what you can do with the 3-window setup on the inside of the Galaxy Fold, Samsung's actually done a lot of hard work to ensure that the user experience is cohesive and easy enough to use. As for availability, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is available right now in South Korea and is coming to select European markets on September 18th, and then a US launch later this month. For more information about the Samsung Galaxy Fold, make sure you check out fandroid.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.